How to buy official Vitalik token. So this token came under the symbol of Vitalik or Vitalik. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any new project that you want on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code on the description. You can get free money or rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Direct account and keep following the updates about this token. Now this token is available on CoinMarketCap. Now after that, what you need to do, just copy the token address from here. This token address came under the Ethereum network. Now go and open your Bitget wallet for that, or any wallet that you use. First of all, select the network as Ethereum. Click on this plus to add this token to your wallet. Paste the token address. Click on this plus icon. Go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added. So just search for it. So this is our token. Just click on it and now click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT. And after that, type how much you want to buy. And after that, you will see how much you receive. So click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy a Vitalik token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.